Every single night, for months that turned into years, I sat in a chair, staring at the same wall, convinced the answers were somewhere outside. A better book, a smarter mentor, a secret frequency nobody was sharing. I consumed everything. Greg Braden lectures when I had a spare moment. Joe Dispenza meditations on repeat. Neuroscience about the reticular activating system until the words felt like a repeat. Nothing moved. Not the bank account, not the relationships, not the heaviness sitting right behind the sternum like a weight that forgot how to communicate. Then one Tuesday, the bathroom pipe broke. Water everywhere. I got on the floor, had to turn off the water, and with my dad and a wrench, spend 40 minutes fixing a pipe. Hands wet, knees aching, brain completely quiet for the first time in years. And when I stood up, something had shifted. Not the dramatic lightning bolt people talk about. More like a piano string that had been slightly out of tune finally settling into pitch. Here is what the research actually supports. A 2022 study out of the University of British Columbia found that manual, tactile problem solving activates the dorsolateral prefrontal cortex in ways that passive learning simply cannot. The brain does not transform through consumption. It transforms through contact, through friction, through the unglamorous act of putting hands on a broken thing and staying with it. The plot twist of that entire spiral was this. The wall I kept staring at was never a wall. It was a mirror. And the answer was never arriving from somewhere else. It was already in the room, waiting for the chair to be empty with my taking action. So, this week, take action. One change, follow it through, find one broken thing and fix it. The mind remembers what the hands already know. Save this if that landed somewhere real. Every single person who watches this video has the power to change someone else's life today. Subscribing to Infinity Quantum takes 1 second, but creates a ripple that reaches people across the entire world. Hit like, share this with someone who needs it, and drop your location in the comments because seeing where our community reaches genuinely excites us. Together, we are building something real. Join us and help others find this too.